Hi artists, I'm going to show you in this video how to center clay and create a puck that will be ready to throw. So you are going to need to get a bucket of water. Bucket of water. Fill it with cold water almost all the way to the top. Tools you will need: wooden rib, wooden modeling tool, pin tool, metal rib. These are spare in our studio right now. Don't put them in your personal tools, please. Please put them in the tool drawer so we can all share and use them. And then you're gonna need to get your clay ready. So go over to the recycled clay bin, grab some clay. I've got two examples here. This is about 3 inches tall, this is 5 inches. You're gonna aim for this size, smaller size. This is going to be too much clay for you to start off with, I think. So wedge up a whole bunch of balls of 3-inch clay. Wedge that up, create some spheres. And then when you're, also, you're probably going to want to get a towel. I like to put it on my lap to protect my pants. Okay. Then get your sphere and you're going to just do your best at throwing it into the middle. If you're way off center for this, just kind of nudge it back. I've seen some students put water on this. Don't do that. You just want clay straight on here. If you put water on it underneath at this point, it's just going to fly off. Okay, so that's how you start. Next, set your mind, get ready to throw. So your elbows are braced against your legs, shoulders over your clay. Get ready to use your abs, and your goal when you center is to still the clay. Okay, and you're going to do that by stilling your body. A lot of times folks will do this as they are trying to center and they're not focused on stilling your body. So use your strong stance and do your best to still the clay. All right, get your hands wet, and here we go. We're going to use to center a strategy called coning and compressing. So I am using my back hand, this part of my palm, to push the clay forward, and I'm collecting on this front end that pressure with the fingers. Okay, so cone, push the clay up. My wheel is not spinning very fast. Okay. And then push the clay down. All right. So you're going to do this, cone and compress. Cone. And push down, compress. I'm going to try and do this open-handed so you can see what's going on. It's not going to be very center, but I've got one hand there and one hand here guiding it. Compress. One hand on the top, one hand on the side. And you're just going to do this as many times as you need to until your clay is centered. If you are finding that you're not centering clay as fast as this, don't worry. When I first started to throw, it took me about half an hour to center a piece of clay. So be kind to yourself. Okay? So when you are happy with how still your clay is, and your clay must be still to move on, you're going to form a puck. So take your hand and use this part, ninja chop the top, create a flat surface on the top, and then you're going to create kind of like 90-degree angles on the sides. The form of your puck is going to mimic kind of the form that you want to throw. So for this first unit, we are going to throw cylinders. So the puck edge is going to be a 90-degree angle because a cylinder goes straight up. You can take your tools at this point to help you out. So wooden rib, left hand is bracing the side so it won't wobble so much. Compress that, get that nice. This wooden rib here is not designed to do this. It's got a curved edge right here. It's not 90 degrees. Some of them are. If you have one of those, lucky duck. If you don't, no worries. You can take a sharper tool like this wooden modeling tool and then just go in and create a sharp edge there. And again, we're doing this because it mimics the form we want to throw, which is a cylinder that has that 90-degree angle. Okay, so I like to always clean my wheel head before I start throwing. It makes me feel like just more fresh and ready to restart and throw. So this is a finished puck. It is centered, ready to throw into a cylinder. This is vertical. That angle is 90. This is straight. Wheel head is clean, and I'm ready to open it into a wheel and get ready to throw.